This video is sponsored by JP Fans. Stick around to the end to find out how you can get 50% off your first order. Okay, I have a really exciting video for today, or at least exciting for me. If you watched my room tour, or even if you just like look at my desk behind you, you would know that I really like smiskis. I'm gonna put on my smiski ring for this video. Look at him. My package from JP Fans came in, and you better believe I rushed to that office to get this picked up. I love smiskis, but I specifically, like, when I first started collecting them, fell in love with series 2, 3, and 4, and I didn't find out until a couple months later that they were discontinued. That was my first genuine heartbreak. And I've like tried to find them on Mercari, but people sell them for upwards of $80, and I love smiskis, but that's just not the game that I'm trying to play. So when JP Fans reached out to me to collab, I was trying to think of like, what cosplay should I order? But nothing was really like speaking to me in that moment. So I went off on a limb and I looked up smiski on the Mercari Japan tab of the JP Fans website. And I was pleased with what I found. So this box is full of discontinued smiskis, and I think just one that I've been trying to get and has been evading me. We're gonna open it together. Knife. This also came like really fast. Like I feel like the package came like faster than the time it took me to pick what I wanted. But maybe I'm just like the most indecisive person in the world. That's likely. It is taped up very secure. We're cracking in. Okay. First look into the box. I see some friends inside. Okay. So these were bought from various different sellers on Mercari Japan, so that's why they're like packaged in little like groups. Because some of these I was able to get like 3 or 4 for $30 US, which is less than buying them new. Now if you want to buy them new in the US, they're $12.25. They're so protected, I might need to get my knife again. Let me meet my boys. Okay. Now obviously this takes away like the blind box aspect of buying smiskis, but there's no way to get some of these in a blind box anymore. So I just want them. Okay, this is a set of 4. I'm going to show each of them individually. This one, I believe, is from series 1. I do think that I have this one, but it was just in with the bundle, and I really didn't mind. The ones without props, I don't mind duplicates of, because you can just put them in various places around your house. This one is still available in a blind box, but the rest in the set I really wanted, and they're not. So, cute. I feel like I should just like start putting them around in my background, and my background will get slowly more smiski filled. This one I wanted so bad. So, and these are real, which is awesome. I expected them to be real, but there was always like the possibility that they wouldn't be. So this one has like kind of like a frog body. He's intended to like look over the top of a shelf. I think that's so cute. I prefer the ones that are like interacting with their environment over the ones that have like little props. In my mind, smiskis are like vermin that like live in your house, like little spirits that live in your house. So I don't really want them to have props. I want them to like interact with my stuff. So like looking over the top of a bookshelf, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Okay. I did just say that I was fine with duplicates that don't have props. I forgot that this set of 4 has 2 of this guy. So I'll probably keep one in my room and then put one out in my living room. But for now, you can go up here. And then the last one from this little set of 4 is the one who's doing like a backwards bridge. I feel like I'm just going into like too much detail talking about these forever, but they're so cute and I love them. So, God forbid a guy yaps about something that he likes for a little while, okay? It's my YouTube channel. Where does he want to live? Cute! Okay, we're reaching back into the box. Another set. I don't know if, like, people still even do unboxing videos, but I wanted to. So, This one is also a mix of smiskis that you can get in existing series and discontinued ones, but the discontinued ones were worth it for like how cheap the price was. It made more sense to buy a set of 3 with one that I already had for cheaper than just buying the 2. So this is the one that I already had, I believe from the Living series. I believe this is Smiski Lifting. I actually just brought this one to work with me the other night and he was a good luck charm. I made good money. Now we can get into the 2 discontinued ones. I'm really excited. Like, I'm going to fill up a bookshelf in my next apartment. I just don't want to get like a big piece like that in this apartment and then have to move with it in a few months. But this one is perfect for a bookshelf because you can see his head has like 2 flat sides because he's supposed to be like squashed in between a bookshelf. Like, is this not so cute? Wait, imagine him. Imagine him between 2 books. I don't have 2 books on my desk to squish him between, so I'm just gonna stick him somewhere. And then this last one in this package, I was very particular about wanting this one because, again, I love the ones that interact with their environment. I think that's so cute. I love when they're like climbing or sitting or laying or something like that. It just like looks like they live on your shelf. So this one has like a flat leg here and it's supposed to like sit on a ledge and kind of climb down. Like, even his hand has like a corner to it so he can like latch onto a corner and just kind of like creep down, and I think that's so fun. I like can't believe that I have discontinued smiskis, and I want to say this one is series 3. I don't know the discontinued series as well as I know like the current ones, but I've literally just been like hoping and praying and begging that they would bring back the discontinued ones, and they literally have been making, they made series 2 and 3 into like the phone charms, so I was like, maybe they will bring back the discontinued series, but now I don't have to wait. It was more affordable to buy them this way than it would be to buy them new, so I just want to fill my house with little creatures. Okay, I have him up on that little corner, like he's inching down. Back into the box. Okay, I believe this little set is mostly ones that I already have, but again, it was worth it to me because I really wanted the discontinued one. So if you have no smiskis, this is a great option. Doubles are always welcome in my house. Oh yeah, I remember why I was willing to get a double. I'm gonna fly through the ones that I already have real quick. This one is from the toilet series. He is offering you a roll of toilet paper. I do already have this one, but I'm planning on having a guest bathroom in my next apartment, so it does not hurt to have double the bathroom smiskis for double the bathrooms. I'm gonna go put him in the bathroom. I know I said I'd be putting them all in the background, but he deserves to be where he belongs. This is another series 1. This series 1 was the second ever smiski that I ever got. Like, my first 2 were the Living series and a series 1 that I opened back to back. And I got the kitty one, which I was so excited about. I was so happy about that. And I also got this one. So I have my first like one like this because the cap can fall off the head, so I don't carry it around with me. But I do like to keep this one like in my jacket pocket, and he goes on little adventures with me. So now I have one to like keep in my room. There we go. And now I am pretty sure this is series 3. Smiski climbing like on a rope. He has like a little gap in between his hands so that he can like climb a rope. And I don't know to what capacity, but I want that. I want that. I wonder if I have like a thin enough cord. For now, I'm gonna see if he can hang on to the ribbon on my journal. I think this might be too thin. Okay, his feet definitely have some power. Look at him! Oh my gosh. Okay, the physics definitely need to be worked out wherever I decide to place him, but look how cute this is. Like, this is why series 1 through 4 are so peak. I love them interacting in your house. I think that's so cute. I don't have anything for him to climb back here, so I'm just gonna put him somewhere. We're reaching the end, I swear. Okay, I think that my Smiski blindness kicked in because I think this is a duplicate. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, look, he's all packaged up. He's crawling. What more could you want? He's just fun. He's just looking around. He's playing hide and seek. What more could you want? Okay, I thought that I had bought a hipper, but I guess that I didn't. But I can just go back and get it. This is the last. Wouldn't be a fitting video with no Butterfingers. This is the last one. I think that this is 3. Whoa, I dropped it again. It's the one like peeking out from under something. Actually, maybe it's 2. The way that it's shown in like product photos is like peeking in between like a stack of blankets or towels. Super duper cute duty. Wow, I've been really like fighting the urge to buy smiskis recently, and this just like satiated me. I just wanted to say thank you so much to JP Fans for sending all of this to me. They were kind enough to give me like an allowance to get whatever I wanted, which is so nice and so crazy. I got to follow my whims. JP Fans is essentially a shipping proxy service so that you can get items from Japan. Their search feature auto-translates, but for better results, I recommend searching in Japanese, but for me specifically, searching in SMISKI and even what series specifically I wanted worked through the translation. So when I looked up SMISKI Series 3, it showed me Series 3. They offer several different options for shopping online from Japan sources, including Mercari Japan, which is what I used. And once you pick all your items and check out, they will be shipped to the JP Fans warehouse, where once they arrive, they will send you photos of each item to inspect the quality. And then you can choose which items you want and choose your shipping options. There's tons of stuff on there, not just smiskis. There's also like merch, there's cosplay. I know one of my friends recently used JP Fans to get a bunch of like no longer in circulation Bungo Stray Dogs merch, and my partner is planning on using it to also get Bungo Stray Dogs merch. It's overall just like a great option to get things from Japan for an affordable price and with shipping all condensed. Since it's a proxy service, you pay one shipping fee for multiple items from different places. If you're interested in using JP Fans, you can sign up with the link that will be in both the description box and the pinned comment of this video. It's also on my link tree on all other social medias. By signing up with my link, you'll be given a bunch of coupons on your account, including 50% off your first order. I'm very impressed with my experience, and I'd really recommend if you're looking to get either collector's items or even like high quality cosplays without like the markup prices that you find here in the States. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you for clicking on this video when there's 100 videos that you could have clicked on. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. And if you like this video, maybe like this video or subscribe. I don't know. And I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye.